This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a stable paint base and a yellow pigment because the base determines drying time and finish. Once decided, weigh components precisely. For a standard mix, use 1 part pigment to 4 parts base and keep a small scale nearby. Mix small batches first so you can adjust hue. Make sure to work in a ventilated area for solvents. You'll use a palette knife to incorporate pigment gradually. This prevents clumping and lets you see true color immediately. You now focus on thorough dispersion and precise tinting. Once the pigment is mostly incorporated, grind it against the bowl or slab to break agglomerates, because smooth distribution creates consistent color and opacity. If the yellow reads too dark, add small amounts of titanium white to lift value. If too fluorescent, add a touch of red to warm or blue to tone down. Make viscosity tweaks in 5% increments, so drying and application remain predictable. You finish by testing and storing your yellow paint properly. Once a thin test stroke is dry, evaluate hue and opacity because drying often shifts saturation. If satisfied, transfer paint to an airtight jar and label content, date, and mix ratio for future replication. If problems appear, paint flakes, add more binder or medium. If it looks muddy, mix a small fresh batch with a brighter yellow pigment and blend sparingly. Make sure to document adjustments so you can reproduce success next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.